I know I should throw the dupatta away, but I will throw it soon. But anyway, today in class we have a question. वो क्या है जो दिल में है, मन में है, लेकिन धड़कन में नहीं है?
Sonam Kapoor?
Nah, bro, nah.
Anushka Sharma?
Nah.
No, but which movie is it?
Hindu Ki Jawani.
Okay, and you were saying?
Ye Jivani Hai Diwani.
That's on Netflix though.
This
Whereas
category
I'll
of
tell
kids
you
doesn't
one
know
of
Urdu,
the
but they know who
Indian
Sonam
movies I
Kapoor
really
is.
like.
Yeah, she's hot!
कौन है ये सोनम?
Sonam Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, she's Virat Kohli's wife. Fuck yeah.
So I asked my students that have they see. They asked me, "Ki Miss, where is like the train stop in Karachi?" So I said that it stops at Kent, na. And then what did you say?
It's Kent.
They only know Kent.
Fuck yeah.
So my student was telling me, I saw you had to delete the Purana one because it was full of abuses. But now the second batch has come, mashallah, and they're my nice, good, Sharif kids. Don't abuse. I asked them कि भाई तुम लोग के घरों में जो तुम लोग के इतने 50,000 कपड़े होते हैं तो तुम कहाँ रखते हो? So they said, Miss, we like have a closet like the size of this room, my whole drawing room, ठीक है? We have like, hello, we have, one second. Yeah, so their closets are the size of my drawing room and एक हम हैं जो हमारे कपड़े जो हैं हम सूटकेस में रखते हैं. Again, hashtag औकात. So guys, today was a very interesting conversation with my students about Islam and science, and I always maintain the fact that Islam is that which science is not proven yet. तो मज़े की 3 बातें मेरे बच्चे ने बताई है भी मुझे. He said कि एक तो बात क्या थी कि कोरोना वायरस क्या है. 1400 साल पहले Prophet ﷺ said that सफाई निस्फ ईमान है, and if we all washed our hands, face, nose, gargled, we wouldn't be sick, ठीक है? And mask, sanitize, I don't know, okay, ठीक है. Second issue ये है कि फास्टिंग, रोज़ा हम रखते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे रोज़ा रखना है. लेकिन आजकल क्या ग्रेट चीज़ आई है, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. वो क्या है? What's the difference between that and fasting? Science is proving it today that intermittent fasting has so many benefits. और चौथी चीज़ बताती हूँ, मैं इसको रीस्टार्ट करती हूँ, स्टोरी खत्म हो गई. अच्छा, और चौथी चीज़ ये थी कि आप नमाज पढ़ते हो, आप तरावी पढ़ते हो, 20 रकात पढ़ते हो, 4 रकात फ़र्ज पढ़ते हो, 3 वितर पढ़ते हो, 2 सुन्नत पढ़ते हो, which you should read guys. तो उसमें क्या करते हैं हम जी? एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, बर्पीज करते हैं. जिम जाके, हाँ, 12-12 हज़ार रुपये जिम को दोगे बर्पीज करने के लिए. इंस्ट्रक्टर बोली जंप अप डाउन, नमाज ही पढ़नी है तो नमाज पढ़ो, बात तो वही हुई. What's the end summary? Islam is that what science has not proven yet. I can say 50 other things. पानी बैठ के पियो. अब साइंस कह रहे हैं कि जी घुटनों में पानी जाता है. छोटी सी बात है. Think about it. In today's class, mashallah, my students have been telling me how their family members have been going on to Maldives and on retreats, on couples retreats. तो मैंने कहा हम भी couple हैं, बस retreat नहीं है. Basically, don't. You don't. So these super burger kids come to my class and you know what they asked me? So what is Paul?
The grammarians.
ये औकात है Paul की. ये औकात है Paul की कि ये लोग यानी they don't even eat here. Even their water is imported and they don't know what Paul is.
If it isn't Evian, it isn't water.
He's googling it. Paul film नहीं है. Paul यार वो जो patisserie है, batisserie है, whatever it's called.
That's not grammarian level.
It's not level grammarians. What is your level, beta?
Our level is you gotta go to Paris and go to the actual bakeries there and get it.
On the like street side bakery.
Yeah, but
हमारे बेकरी में तो potential food diarrhea होता है. That's the thrill. That's the thrill कि होगा नहीं होगा.
The thrill. That's like saying flipping a.
माशाल्लाह मेरे पास बच्चे आते हैं एवेसेना स्कूल के and they have this logic behind. They have a logic behind रोजा कि वो नियत करते हैं, फजर पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ पानी पीते हैं. Pause to take that in again. पानी पीते हैं and the logic behind it is
intermittent fasting.
No, intermittent fasting नहीं है. Basically because the idea of fasting is कि underprivileged लोगों को की तरह हम feel करें. So underprivileged लोगों के पास पानी है, तो इसलिए हम पानी पीते हैं. Take it in, guys. Take it in.
Shut up.
So, guys, these people are saying from this particular school that what?
Grammarians.
Okay, what? That you hate us because you ain't us. You hate us because you ain't us. What should I reply to this? You hate them because you ain't them. Assalamu alaikum. आज की क्लास में I told my students that I have such a headache and I've had 2 Panadols and it's still not working and probably I have a heat stroke. So डॉक्टर साहब और साहिबाओं ने फरमाया है कि I should have ठंडा फ्रीजिंग टैंक ताकि मेरे दिमाग में ब्रेन फ्रीज हो जाए और वो न्यूट्रलाइज कर ले मेरे हेडेक को, सीधा कवर में पहुंच जाऊं, मैं मर जाऊं. डबल हेडेक. They want me to die. They don't want the CIs to happen and they want me to die ताकि they can just get A grades and just live in Ayashi. CIE हो रहे हैं, शफकत भाई ने कह दिया है, सुन लो मेरी बात, A लेवल तो हो रहे हैं, कुछ भी हो जाए. So pray I survive and I give you some help. बच्चों को आजकल एटिकेट्स और मैनर्स सिखाना बहुत जरूरी होता है and then I have to like really give it to them for them to understand that when I explain कि जब फीस दिया करो तो एक एनवेलोप में दिया करो, AKA लिफाफा. अब अगेन गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज में फर्क देखें and giving it. Next time, please present it nicely in an envelope, like preferably pink and purple with stars and hearts on it. Thank you. The smiley faces. Okay. आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस ये जो अभी मैंने पिछला स्नैप लगाया है, वर्सेस्टरशायर, वर्सेस्टरशायर, वर्सेस्टरशायर. Please upload your version of how to pronounce this Worcestershire sauce and tag me so I can probably understand how you pronounce it. How do you say it? Worcestershire. 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 Worcestershire, mate. In it. So this kid of mine came to class today and said he went to Colette yesterday. And बताओ बेटा, सच बताना सबको. शब्बीर बेटा बताओ, वकास बेटा, गफूर बेटा बताओ. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए मैं शक्ल नहीं दिखा रही.
Thanks for saying that.
So they don't think I'm a creep ना, कि पीछे से कोई मर्दों की आवाज आ रही है जिनकी.
फरिश्ते बोल रहा हूँ.
बताओ कि क्या था.
ये ना डालो, मुझे बहुत मार पड़ेगी.
कौन? I'm not gonna tag you. जी टेक 51. अब आप बताएंगे गफूर और रहीम. हाँ, Abdul Basit.
My name is Sadiq.
Just tell them about Colette and move on. We're like extra teaching.
What was I saying?
This is what I suffer, guys. This is what I suffer.
Colette was a very good place. The vibe was really good, but the food was questionable. It tasted like salan. Honestly, I wanted a naan. It will make my experience more joyful.
Feel like saying an after.
Like मेरे पैसे वसूल होते अगर मुझे नान मिल जाती तो.
और प्याज.
हाँ.
Guys, मैं बता रही हूँ सिक्की. Just have naan with the chicken and herb and हम खुद आएंगे खाने के लिए. हम खुद आएंगे.
अगर मुफ्ते का हो रहा हो तो फिर मुझे नहीं उस पे पैसे फेंक रहे वापस.
फेंक. Seriously.